Hey everyone, welcome back to Gaming for Beginners. So on this video, I'm going to show you how to send coins in 8-ball pool. So let's begin. First of all, open your 8-ball pool application. Now here on the bottom, you can see this friends icon. Tap on this. So in order to send coins to your friend, you can just tap on this gift option. So select the person whom you want to send the gifts and tap on this gift button. So as you can see, I am sending gifts to them, so now they'll be able to receive the coins that you have just gave. So the way they'll receive is here on the box section on the bottom, click on it. So as you can see, a friend has gifted me coin as well, so they'll also be able to receive it like this. Just tap on accept all and now you are done. So as you can see, the coin has been increased. So this is how you send gifts and coins and how you receive them. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helps you.